Hey there, my amazing Debimmer ReliefNet family. Have you ever found yourself drowning in your daily to-do tasks, wishing for a digital assistant that could shoulder some of the burdens? Well, it's time to let AI take the wheel. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI, really? Isn't it just for big companies and tech giants? But let me tell you, AI is not just for the Silicon Valley elite. It's evolving fast, and it's becoming more accessible for everyday users like you and me. Imagine this: you're overwhelmed with emails, but your AI assistant has already sorted, prioritized, and even responded to some of them by the time you've had your morning coffee. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, this dream is quickly becoming a reality. AI tools can do more than just manage emails. Think about editing videos, creating content, organizing your schedule, or even recommending the best tech gadgets based on your personal preferences. AI is your ultimate co-pilot, helping you navigate the digital world with ease. Now, I get it, handing over control can be daunting. We've been conditioned to think that to do something right, we have to do it ourselves. But here's the kicker. AI can learn from you. It adapts, improves, and becomes more efficient the more you use it. Sure, there might be a learning curve. But once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without AI by your side. Plus, the time you save allows you to focus on what really matters. Be it your creative projects, your career, or simply more time to relax. And let's not forget the thrill of being on the cutting edge of technology. By embracing AI, you're part of a tech revolution. You're not just a user, but a pioneer in shaping the future of how we interact with technology. So, next time you're buried under a mountain of tasks, remember this little chat. Take a leap of faith, and let AI take the wheel. Who knows? You might just find yourself with a lot more time and a whole new appreciation for what tech can do. Thanks for tuning in, and if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more AI insights. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.